The sauce and the bacon, it's amazing. Hola amigos, I'm Ulysses Cruz. Thank you for playing this video. It's this plant-based masterpiece, and right now I'm gonna show you how to make trumpet bacon. Yes, plant-based bacon. Right now I'm gonna use this trumpet mushroom. It smells so fresh. And I'm gonna use one saucepan. Also, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the ingredients. Please don't skip the video. Don't skip and try to heard at least what I'm gonna use for our dressing or for seasoning bacon or for, you know, for give it a little extra touch to our trumpet deliciosos mushroom. Right now I'm gonna use a little tamari, Worcestershire sauce, and this is the smoked liquid agave. You can also use maple syrup or something sweet, sugar, smoked paprika, garlic, black pepper, olive oil, cayenne. That's it. I hope you get the ingredients. In case that you didn't know what I'm talking, there is the recipe and you can get it. So we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. Da-da-dee, da-da-da. It's going to be first. 1, 2. De Team Marín, de Doping Way, Cucamara, Karate, Tere fue. Yo no fui, fue Tete, pégale, pégale, que YouTube fu, Okay, it's going to be this. Oh my god. Nothing is waste here. Nothing. I won't throw anything. Just a little because it's too strong. I'm pretty sure that I'm missing something. I don't know. Wow! Come on here. Come on here. Don't be shy. You know? What I'm doing, this is granulate, this is powder, it's not fresh, and look at what I'm doing right now. I know, this is crazy, but it is because our bacon is gonna be crazy. Da-da-dee-da-da-da, let's make it quickly. A little bit more, a little bit more. Da-da-dee-da-da-da, da-da-dee-da-da-da. Okay, it's much better. There you go. Oh la la, look at this. Look at this sauce. It's good. And close your eyes for for 3 seconds. When I say 3, you're gonna close your eyes by 3 seconds. Please. And after that, you're gonna open like quickly. So I'm gonna make you a trick. Just do it, please. 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. It's good. Just I feel the chunky pieces of the garlic, but it's good. Voila! It's ready for marinade or trumpet. So what I'm going to do is slice the mine is yours. Ulysses, what are you doing? Ulysses! Da 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 dee. Look at this knife. Oh my god. Ooh la la. So let's marinate it. Yes, let's marinate them. I made a little sauce. Then the next time I'm gonna make it more, or I'm gonna do the double recipe. Actually, it's not enough for all. Right now I have to toast them and forget a deeper flavor. I can leave it right there, marinate it, and leave or bring into my fridge by couple minutes, couple hours, and it's gonna be more deeper the flavor. I love the flavor. Right now I'm gonna try to make a perfect texture. You'll see. You will see. Listen carefully what I'm going to do right now. Bring it to my fridge by couple minutes. 20 minutes. I'll be back. So then 20 minutes later, I'm here. It's gonna be delicious. You'll see a little oil. I can hear it's hot. Da, da, da. I'm ready. I wanna eat it. Be patient. Be patient. And don't burn them. Also, if you want, you can slice them very, very thin. Wow. Wow. So the most important part here is just be patient, keep flipping until you get the texture that you decided. It's not gonna be really, really crazy crispy. Let's see how it's going everything. I'm gonna eat this small piece. I hope it's not hot. Please, 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 please follow the recipe. I recommend you 100%. And just don't be scared if you see your sauce right here burned. Okay, make sure that you don't really burn it. It's not too many oil. Looks like that, but it's not really. It's for the sauce. Yes, it's for the sauce. And so then, amigos, guess what? The texture. I'm almost done with this, but right now I want to show you how is this texture. The texture is like a meaty. You should try it and tell me what do you think about it. Also, if you want to see another recipe, let me know what would you like to see. The sauce and the bacon, it's amazing. I hope you get the idea. If you see, it's very easy and quickly. You can make bacon with mushroom. Also, if you want, you can do it with other vegetables. Try it. Don't stop and tell me what do you think about it. See ya, and peace and love. Love to the bacon. Trumpet bacon.